Good evening, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. This is the second time I'm placing the trade. So basically, I funded like $100 in my trading account, and this is like evening time around 6 o'clock in Sydney. And US market is still not open, so I looked at some UK stocks and I chose this one, Excel Technology Essay. And if you look at it, this is the chart for the day. So I see a green candle, and I believe there are like two touch points. So there is a support line at 16 or 15.9. So, and I'm planning to take the first profit if it reaches like $20, because this trade is costing me like $8. So I should make some reasonable profit. So I've given my stop loss at $13 and take profit $20. $20 is because in my day chart I see the first peak at 20, and it's gone even as high as 24, but I'm not staying in the market long. I want to take profit at 20, but I've given the stop loss at 13 because I believe there is a support line at 16, like if you have three touch points. So I've given stop loss at 13, and we'll see what happens. So I'm willing to take so much loss. So obviously, guys, uh, I'm still learning, and I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So don't copy me, at least copy someone who's knowledgeable. I'm just trying to learn if this thing can work for me or not, and whatever money I'm investing, I'm willing to lose. So only invest the money you're willing to lose. That's it for today, guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.